How to add your website link to your LinkedIn profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your website link to your LinkedIn profile. Easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to linkedin.com and log into your account, and now go to your profile. This is my profile right here. Now you need to go here and click on add profile section. Now you will find many options here. Click on additional and go down, click add contact info. Now you will find add website right here. Click on it like this and put your website URL here and choose the type of your website, company or blog or portfolio, and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.